Hi, this is HardballRetro. Welcome to the Retrodome. Today we'll be doing a quick tutorial how to create a team and enter players into Major League Manager, which was originally Pro Manager. The game was published back in 1984 by Avalon Hill Game Company and was later re-released with some minor updates by Spinnaker Software Corporation. Game credits programmed by Bob Gardner, and let's just jump right into this. So this is a text-based. There's really no graphics to speak of here. So if we bring up the main menu, I'm using, as you can see on the screen, Major League Manager version 4, but the Pro Manager original game and the various different versions released by Spinnaker, the menu and options should be pretty similar here. Okay, so again, I want to do option 2, which is trades, create teams, or players. There's 2. Alright, so I've got 10 choices here. Choice number 2 is to add a team to the open league where there's 10 slots. Alright, so I'm going to choose option 2, year of the team. So I'm going to do the 2024 Angels, Los Angeles. You see I've got a limitation of 10 characters, so therefore I'm not putting a space between Los and Angeles. Team nickname Angels. Is this correct? Yes. Alright. Why there's a 10 team limit? No idea. Let's do, okay. So it looks like I'm going to be doing either option 7, add a batter to a team in the open league, and option 5, add a pitcher to a team in the open league. We've got some other, you can do trades here, you can draft, draft a pitcher or batter to a team in the open league, stays on original team. Okay, so anyway, I want to do option 7. Alright, what team do I want to enter this batter on? Team number 43. Alright, so let me pull up Baseball Reference in the background here. And we'll enter our first batter, and then I'm going to pause the video and magically come back in. Actually, I'll do one batter and one pitcher just to show how it's done, and then we'll come back and we'll do a quick exhibition game using this team after I've entered the remaining stats in. Alright, so 2024 Angels, I'm going to enter the data for Zach Neto. Okay, here we go. Get this lined up on my screen here. Okay, so Zach Neto, he bats right. Defense. So this is asking for defense for every position. I don't have the manual for this game. I think I can probably look online, but I don't think I found it when I looked previously. My guess is that an E is the worst, so we're going to do an E for every position except for shortstop. And just for demo purposes, I'm going to give him an A at short. Alright, at-bats, 602. And I messed up, that was plate appearances. Alright, I'll have to come back and fix that. 135. Okay, doubles, triples, homers. 77 ribs. Sack hits. So I want to make sure I'm looking at the right column here. That's a 4. Sack flies is a 1. Stolen bases 30. Caught 10. Walks, 39. Intentional walks, 1. 140. Hit spacebar if all are okay, any other key to re-enter. Now, I hope I don't have to re-enter the entire thing, but let's see. Oh, delete a batter. Looks like I can't edit a batter if I exited out of there improperly. Not improperly, but alright, let's re-enter Zach Neto. Okay, well, that's unfortunate. I hit spacebar, I probably should have hit any other key. Okay, E, 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 A. Let's do this right this time. 542. There we go. So the game is not very forgiving if you make a mistake here. 10, 39, 1 intentional, 140. Okay, spacebar if all are okay. There we go. Alright, so he's in there. Now if I want to add a pitcher to team number 43, and let's scroll down on Baseball Reference here, and their number 1 starter was Tyler Anderson. He's a lefty, so let's see here. Tyler Anderson throws left. Defense, for the purposes of the demo, he's going to get an A. Offense, we don't bat anymore. Bats, I don't really care. ERA, 3.81. 10 wins, 15 losses, 31 games, 179.1, 158. Total batters faced, we do have that. Cool. Sack hits, -1 if unknown. Don't know. I mean, there might be data here somewhere, but it's not that important. Walks. Intentional walks. Do I have that here? I do. Strikeouts, 142. Hit spacebar if all are okay. Bam. Alright, so pretty straightforward. Add a batter, add a pitcher. Alright, so I'm just going to pause the video here and we'll come back with a full roster and we'll play an exhibition game, or at least a few innings of an exhibition game. Alright. Okay, so I've entered all the players for the 2024 Angels into Major League Manager here. You can see for option 5 and 7 that the slot numbers have decreased from 100 to 90 for the pitchers on number 5, and from 150 down to 135 on the batters. So that means I've entered 15 batters, 10 pitchers. Okay, so I'm going to do 0, go back to the main menu. Alrighty, and now I'm going to do option 1, play a baseball game. Okay, and you can see on the right-hand column in the Open League, I've got the 2024 Angels as team number 43 here. So let's make them the visitor. And the home team will be, let's do, it really doesn't matter. Let's do the 89 White Sox for no particular reason. Alright, pick my starter, Tyler Anderson. There is no stored lineup for this team. You must enter the lineup. Okay, that's fine. Here we go. Enter number for batter 1. So I think probably Taylor Ward was the leadoff, or Sean Ewell. I'm going to put a right-hander in for the White Sox, I'm guessing. So let's go with Sean Ewell. I think he led off a lot. And he's at first base. Alright. And now I need number 2 hitter. Let's go with Ward here. He's in left. Number 3 is going to be Trout, center field. Number 4 is going to be Willie Calhoun, DH. Number 5 will be Rendon at third. 6 is going to be Logan O'Hop as my catcher. And we'll do Neto, shortstop. Renhefo, second base. And Joe Adell in right field. And again, this is just exhibition. I'm not trying to be exact with their starting lineups here. Spacebar or Y to approve the lineup. Sure. And we will face Rich Dotson. Okay. And looks like they've got a stored lineup. I'm not going to mess with it. That's fine. Type 1 if you would like to use the stored lineup. Yes. Would you like music during the game? Sure. Yes, we would like text during the game. Alright, let's play ball. Okay, defensive options. There we go, fly ball to lines, can of corn, short fly out to left. Okay, Taylor Ward, grounder to Guillen, makes the play. Medium ground out to short. Ward is out. Here's Mike Trout facing Rich Dotson. Pitch taken inside for ball 4. And pitch taken outside corner, called strike 3. Strikeout, third out of inning. So the White Sox are due up. Okay. There we go. Scott Fletcher facing Tyler Anderson. Pitch taken on the outside corner, strike 3. Fletcher will take a seat, and that'll bring up Ozzie Guillen, the shortstop. right center, medium fly out to right. Adele holds it in, and Guillen is retired for out number 2. Okay, Ivan Calderon. Fly ball to Ward. Third out of the inning as Ward camps under it and grabs it. Okay, 0-0. We go to the top of the second here. All right, Anthony Rendon leading off the inning against Rich Dotson. Fly ball deep left center. Long fly out to left. Hauled in by Steve Lyons. Steve Psycho Lyons. All right, here's Logan O'Hop. Fly ball deep right. And that's going to be caught. Dan Pasqua with the running grab. Zach Neto, the batter. That's a long drive to left center. It's out of here. All right, interesting sound effect there. Home run for Neto. The Angels are on the board, 1-0. And this one's a grounder by Rengifo over to Greg Walker. Tough play, but he makes it. Soft ground out to first. Third out of the inning, but the Angels pick up a run, and they lead 1-0 as we head to the bottom of the second. And Carlton Fisk, the batter. Long drive, left center. And that ball's out of here. It's going to tie us up at 1 apiece. Pudge Fisk with the long ball. Greg Walker facing Tyler Anderson. Popped up to the right side. Rengifo's got it. So Walker's retired, and that'll bring up another left-hander, Dan Pasqua. And that's ball 4. Pasqua draws the walk. And that brings up Sammy Sosa. Slamming Sammy Sosa for the Sox. Fly ball to left. Ward drops it. 2-base error. Pasqua scores. Sosa to second. And the White Sox are now on top, 2-1. Steve Lyons. Lefty-lefty matchup for Anderson here. Curveball swung out and missed. He's gone. Strikeout. All right. Sosa dancing off second base. Carlos Martinez, the batter. Long drive to left. It's over Ward's head, and that's going to be a 3-base hit, and it's 3-1 White Sox. Hoppy out to the mound to settle down Anderson. All right, here's Scott Fletcher. Hit by pitch. Runners at the corners now. 2 down. Grounded, not too hard. Neto fields it, and he's out of there. So that'll retire the side, but the White Sox pick up 3, and they lead 3-1. All right, here's Joe Adele. A drive way back to right. Pasqua leaped, but he could not reach that one. Adele with an opposite field. Big fly, and it's 3-2. All right, top of the order, Nolan Shanuel. Pitch taken low for ball 4, Shanuel continues to display his excellent batting eye. This one's down the line to right. Pasqua cuts it off. It's a long single. Shanuel over to third, and we've got runners at the corners now. Nobody out. Dotson facing Mike Trout. Fly ball, not too deep. Sosa makes the catch. And Shanuel's going to hold up at third. He will not tag. That was just too shallow, looks like. Pitch taken outside, ball four. Calhoun draws the walk, and we have the bases loaded for Anthony Rendon. One out. Blooper to center. Sosa runs and gets it. It's a short fly out to center. Rendon is out. Again, no sac fly. Brings up Logan O'Hoppe. Grounded to Guillen, and he makes the play for the third out of the inning. So the Angels put one on the board, and they trail now 3-2. All right. Anderson facing Calderon. Hit hard, may get through. Nope, Neto snares it. Hard ground out to short. Calderon is out at first. Alright, here's Fisk. Driven to right center. Trout cuts it off. That's a short double. Pudge motors into second. Greg Walker, the batter, facing Anderson. Pitch taken on the outside corner, strike three. Called. Walker's out. Fisk remains on second. Dan Pasqua, the batter, 2 outs. Lefty-lefty matchup. Grounder towards second. Rengifo over, makes the play, and that'll retire the side. So Anderson throws a 0 up on the board, and the Angels are coming up, trailing 3-2. Okay, Zach Neto, the batter, facing Rich Dotson. And he grounds that one back to the pitcher. So 1 away. And Rengifo, the batter. And he's going to fly out to shallow center. Easy play for Sosa. 2 down. Joe Adell, the batter, homered in his first trip. Fastball swung on a miss, strikeout. 3 down. And the Pale Hose lead the Halos 3-2 as we go to the bottom of the 4th. Fly ball to Adell. He camps under it and he gets there. Sosa's retired. Alright, here's Steve Lyons. That one's ripped, but right at Shanuel. Hard ground out to first. Lyons is out. That's 2 down. And Carlos Martinez, the batter. Just missed, ball 4, as Anderson argues. Martinez trots down to first. And here's Scotty Fletcher. Pops it up on the infield. Neto takes charge, pop up to short. 3rd out of the inning. And the White Sox lead 3-2 as we go to the top of the 5th. top of the order for the Angels. Here's Shanuel, and he draws another walk. Dotson didn't like the call, but it doesn't matter. Alright, so runner aboard for Taylor Ward. Curveball swung on and missed. He's gone. Alright, Mike Trout up. One down. Called strike three, and Trout is arguing. Strikeout. Trout is out. Shanuel still camped out at first base here. Here's Willie Calhoun, the cleanup man, the DH today. Fly ball deep to right. Pasqua runs and grabs it. Long fly out to right field. Third out of the inning, and still a 3-2 ball game as we go to the bottom of the fifth. Both pitchers have allowed 3 hits thus far. Anderson facing Ozzie Guillen, the shortstop for the Chi Sox, and he grounds out to Rengifo for out number 1. Alright, here's Ivan Calderon. Popped up to third. Rendon runs. He's out. Fisk, the batter. Fly ball, not deep. Trout makes the grab. Short fly out to center. Third out of the inning. We go to the 6th. Angels trail by 1. I was only going to play a few innings, but we're already halfway through the game, and it's going relatively quickly, so we'll just let this run through. Play the full exhibition game here. Rendon, called strike 3. He's arguing the call to no avail. Logan Ohapi, the batter. Grounded hard to short. Guillen grabs it, and Ohapi is out at first. 2 down. Zach Neto, the batter. He's got some pop in his bat. Let's see if he can launch one here and tie it up. And he cannot. He strikes out on a pitch taken on the inside corner. Alright, 3-2. Bottom of 6. Alright, Greg Walker, the batter, first baseman, flies this one towards center. Trout camps under it, makes the catch. Alright, Dan Pasqua's up, former Yankee prospect. And he draws the walk. So 1 out, runner aboard for Slammin' Sammy Sosa. Pitch taken on the outside corner, called strike 3. Sosa's retired. 2 down, Pasqua on first, Steve Lyons the batter. Grounds this one to grounds it towards Rendon. It's a 3-base error. Pasqua scores, and it's 4-2. 3-base error. Alright. Carlos Martinez driven to left. That's a long single, and Lyons scores, and it's now a 5-2 ball game. Alright. Just missed. Anderson argues the call. Ball 4. Lined at Shanuel. He makes the play. Line out to first. He's a fielder. No more changes. Okay. So somehow I chose the home team, or it chose the home team for me. I don't know how that happened, but anyway, it appears that I'm managing the White Sox, so it doesn't matter, it's just exhibition, but I apparently flubbed that when I was selecting teams. Joe Adell on first. Sean Ewell the batter. Grounded Dotson, he makes the play. Adell is out at second. Sean Ewell is safe at first. Curveball swung on and missed. He's gone. So Taylor Ward retired. That's the third out of the inning. The Halos trail by 3 now. Okay, take me out to the ball game. 7th inning stretch. Anderson facing Ivan Calderon. Strikeout on the outside corner. Pitch taken low for ball 4, a walk. So Fisk is aboard. Brings up Greg Walker. Way outside. Anderson let that one get away. That's a wild pitch. Fisk down to second. 1 out. Walker, the batter. Lefty-lefty matchup. Driven to left. Long single. Fisk scores. Walker is safe at first. And it's a 6-2 contest now. Blooper to right. Adell can't get it. That's a medium single. Walker on first. No, Walker to second. Pasqua on first. Brings up Sammy Sosa. Curveball swung on a miss. He's gone. Strikeout. 2 down. The batter, Steve Lyons. Grounds it down to third. Rendon gets the out. 3rd out of the inning. The White Sox put another one on the board, and it's now 6-2. All right, top of 8. Running out of outs here for the Angels to come back. Dotson's still in there, facing Trout. Swung on a miss, strikeout. So Trout is retired again. Willie Calhoun. Pitch taken outside corner. He's called out on strikes. So Dotson just mowing him down here. Anthony Rendon grounds this one to Walker. He makes the play, and that's out number 3. So the Angels go quietly in the 8th, and they trail by 4. All right, got Carlos Martinez facing Tyler Anderson. Driven to right center. Trout can't get it. That's a single. So runner aboard, nobody out. Scott Fletcher, the batter, flies this one to center. Trouty's got that one. One down, and that'll bring up Ozzie Guillen. Drive to left center, Trout cuts it off, that's a long single. Martinez scurries to third, and we got runners at the corners, one out. And Ivan Calderon. Fly ball deep left center. Long fly, that's going to be a sac fly. It's 7-2 now. Martinez scores. Guillen remains at first. And here's Carlton Fisk, Hall of Fame catcher. Grounds out to third. That'll retire the side. White Sox add one. And they're up by 5 now as we go to the top of the 9th. Alright, Logan O'Hoppe, the batter, facing Rich Dotson. Grounds that one to Guillen. He's out of there, one down. Dotson looking to go the distance here. Zach Neto, the batter. Rung him up on called strike 3 on a changeup. Alright, down to our final out. Luis Rengifo. Fly ball to right field, not deep. Pasqua makes the play. Short fly out to right. That'll do it. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to take a look at the box score. There's our final score. Yes, I'll take a look at the box. Screen only, please. Not updating league stats. No, this was just for fun. Alright, and got a couple hits out of Adele. Long balls from Neto and Adele. And a hit by Ward. That's it. 4-hitter. 10 Ks. There's Anderson. 8 innings, only 3 earned. And what do we have here? Fisk homered. 2 RBIs out of Martinez with a 3-for-3 day. Carlos Martinez might be the player of the game here. No, actually Rich Dotson probably the player of the game, right? 4-hitter. 4 Ks, 4 walks, 10 Ks, 2 earns. And wild pitch, hit by pitch, sac flies, time of game. And we're back to the main menu. So that'll do it for our tutorial on creating teams for Major League Manager. I hope you enjoyed this. Keep your eye out for more of these. I've got some more in the queue. So, but in the meantime, keep playing ball. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.